Picture this. You've just wrapped up a full client shoot. Hours of perfect drone footage, camera shots, and edits waiting to happen. You plug in your SD card, and suddenly your computer says, "Format this device before use." It happened to me recently. All my raw files, gone in seconds. But instead of panicking, I decided to test something that claims to change how we recover lost data. Wondershare Recoverit V14. It's powered by AI and promises to recover deleted or corrupted files, even fix damaged videos and photos automatically. So today, I'll show you exactly how it works step by step, and we'll see if it really deserves to be called the best data recovery software of 2025. To make this test real, I've taken one of my old SD cards that once had drone footage, product photos, and some behind-the-scenes clips. I've completely formatted it, so it's now blank and ready to test how powerful Wondershare Recoverit V14 really is. Let's start by launching the software. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly. It automatically detects every connected device, both internal and external, so you can easily choose where to recover your data from. There's also a dedicated SD card recovery feature designed specifically for creators who use cameras, drones, and GoPros. It uses AI-accelerated scanning, AI-boosted device recognition, and AI custom recovery to find and restore lost photos and videos faster than ever. And it doesn't stop there. Recoverit V14 includes a built-in file repair tool that can fix corrupted videos, damaged photos, and even documents. The latest update also brings AI image enhancement, allowing you to restore blurred or low-quality images with sharper details and improved clarity. If you want to try it yourself, I've left the official download link in the description below, so you can install it on your device and start recovering your files in just seconds. The moment I plug in the SD card, Recoverit's AI device recognition activates instantly. It detects the SD card brand, model, and file system automatically. You don't have to select anything manually because the AI already knows what type of device it is and adjusts the recovery settings accordingly. Once I click Start Scan, Recoverit's optimized engine gets to work. It quickly scans the SD card in real time and automatically sorts your videos and photos. And if your files don't show up right away, you can use the deep scan option for a more thorough search. Perfect for permanently deleted or corrupted files. This new scanning system isn't just quick, it's smart. It reads deep sectors of the card and prioritizes your actual lost data first, so you start seeing results almost immediately. As the scan runs, Recoverit starts showing live previews of what it's finding. Look at this. This is the video. Photos. And my background music for my YouTube videos I thought were all gone. After previewing the files, I can select the ones I want to recover, and then click Recover to start the recovery process. One important tip: always save your recovered files to a different drive or partition than the one you're recovering from. This helps prevent overwriting the original data or corrupting the recovery process, especially when working with hard drives or memory cards. And just like that, your lost files are back. But here's the impressive part. Recoverit doesn't just recover, it enhances. Using AI recovery enhancement, it automatically repairs damaged or low-quality photos. Some of my shots were originally blurry, but now they're sharper, brighter, and color-corrected like they've been edited professionally. It's basically recovery and restoration in one click. Now, let's move on to something that really hurts: corrupted video files. This drone clip refused to open after a crash, and normally you'd think it's gone for good. But with AI-enhanced repair, Recoverit can rebuild broken video formats like MP4, MOV, H.264, and H.265. Here's how it works. I'll select File Repair, then choose Corrupted Video Repair, since this is a video file. Next, I'll click Add to import my damaged footage. Once it's uploaded, I'll hit Repair and let the AI take over. Sometimes, the video might not repair completely if it's too damaged, but Recoverit has an advanced repair option for that. Just click Advanced Repair, then add a sample video created with the same device. After selecting the sample clip, click Next, then Repair again, and wait a few seconds while the software works its magic. And just like that, the corrupted video is fixed. The clip plays smoothly, no glitches, no frame drops, and no color issues. Recoverit literally reconstructs the video frame by frame, and for any filmmaker, that's a complete lifesaver. Creators often work across multiple devices, like cameras, drones, and external drives, and Recoverit V14 handles them all effortlessly. It can recover footage from Sony, Canon, Nikon, DJI, GoPro, and Insta360, while keeping important metadata such as GPS, HDR color, and timecode completely intact. That means your recovered videos can go straight into Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve without any relinking or re-rendering. After formatting my SD card, deleting files, and worrying about corrupted files, Recoverit V14 managed to bring everything back: photos, drone clips, and even high-quality 4K ProRes files, all perfectly restored. The upgraded AI doesn't just make recovery faster, it makes it smarter by instantly detecting devices, optimizing scans, and automatically repairing damaged files. If you create content or work with important data, this is the one tool you'll be glad to have when disaster strikes. Try Wondershare Recoverit V14 for yourself using the link below and see how easy it is to bring your files back to life. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tutorials and creative tech reviews.